Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the Microtouch 1 safety razor. This is one of the best safety razors on the market. There was a huge TV campaign for this, and yes, we do have the Deluxe version, which comes with a year's supply of blades. Let's check out the commercial.
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
And now, over 2 million people who already use my Microtouch 1 razor also know that you can get a great shave at a great price without compromising on quality. Just a perfect shave with a single blade safety razor that feels like a precision crafted machine right in the palm of your hand. That's why I use the new Microtouch 1. It's the modern version of this timeless classic. For almost 100 years, the single blade was the best way to shave. Soldiers, presidents, even my pops used one. Even today, professional barbers still only use one blade to give their clients a perfect shave. Close, clean, and smooth. And with the Microtouch 1, you get that same barbershop smooth shave right at home. And unlike expensive multi-blade razors that are hard to clean and can gunk up, Microtouch 1 opens up with a simple twist. So you can easily rinse your blade and preserve the closeness of every shave.
Plus, I get a perfectly smooth shave on my face and my beautiful bald head.
Now, one thing that the commercial can't really get across is the quality of this razor. It in my hand feels so substantial and so nice, and it delivers a really close, beautiful shave. Now, the other thing it doesn't show in the commercial is how to replace the blade. Now, each one of these cartridges actually has 6 razor blades in it, and all you have to do is slide the little cover off, and then each one of these little guys is actually an individually wrapped razor blade. And all you have to do is open it up like an envelope, take it out of the paper wrapping, and these are all stainless steel. These are beautiful double-sided blades. Look how razor thin that is. All you're gonna wanna do is spin the bottom part of this, and you'll see the razor actually open up, and you've got this crossbar in here. You're just gonna wanna take your razor blade and place it right on top of there, and then twist it back closed, nice and tight, and you are ready to shave. Now, this cartridge is actually really cool. It allows you to dispose of your blades once you're done with them in a very safe way. You just slide it into the back, and you are good to flip it back over and take a new blade. Now, with the Deluxe Edition, you're gonna get the Microtouch 1 safety razor. You're gonna get this beautiful stainless steel stand to have a place to put it in your bathroom. You're gonna get the case with the mirror, and you're also gonna get a year's supply of blades. Now, if you happen to run out, we actually sell a 12-pack of blades on the website, so make sure to stock up. We have a great deal on this, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.